In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an outline in Photopea. There are two common scenarios when adding an outline, and both are simple to handle. The first scenario is when you want to add an outline around an entire image or layer. To do this, select the image layer from the Layers panel on the right side of the screen, right-click on it, and choose Blending Options from the menu. In the Blending Options window, select the Stroke option. Choose a color for the stroke, which will be the outline color, then adjust the size until the outline looks the way you want. Once satisfied, click OK, and the outline will appear around your image. The second scenario is when you want to add an outline only around a specific object or person within an image. Start by duplicating the original image layer by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Layer. With the duplicate layer selected, use the Magic Wand tool from the left toolbar and click on Select Subject from the top menu. If you are on the free version, you may need to watch an ad before the selection is processed. Once the object is selected, click the Add Mask icon to isolate it. Then create a new adjustment layer by clicking the adjustment layer icon and selecting Color Fill. Choose a color such as black and place this layer below the extracted object layer. Now select the object layer again, open Blending Options, enable Stroke, choose your outline color, and adjust the size. Finally, select the Color Fill layer and reduce its opacity if you want to keep the original background visible while maintaining the outline. You can even reduce the opacity to 0 so only the outline remains visible, and this is how you can add an outline in Photopea.